Hello friends, do you know the Mahabharata is? Mahabharata. Mahabharata. That is, we are proud of this, no? The Mahabharata. Ramayana, another one, another text. Ramayana. Now, what happens here is very simple point today. How many Mahabharatas are there in the world? Only one. How many Ramayanas? Only one. Right? Only one. Tirukural. You have heard of Tirukural? Tirukural. How many Tirukurals are there? Only one. Isn't it? Then Eiffel Tower. How many Eiffel Towers are there? One. France, in France. Then Taj Mahal. How many Taj Mahals are there in the world? There's only the one Taj Mahal. So there are certain things in the world, you will find only one of its kind. Only one. You don't find another one. You don't have a elder Taj Mahal and a younger Taj Mahal, you don't have. Isn't it? Same with certain offices, no? Pope, for example. How many popes are there in the world? Only one pope. Then now you will ask me, sir, there are two popes now. No. One has resigned. Actually, the ruling pope, there is only one pope. You say like this. Isn't it? So, how many sons are there in sun? S-U-N. How many? Sun. S-U-N. How many? Only one. What about moon? Only one. So you find Pope Bible for example, another Bible. You have only one Bible. Means officially accepted there is only one Bible. So these are things or books or persons holding office, certain names of officers. Only one of its kind in the world. You won't find it anywhere else. So if you find, say, nouns like this, you have only one of its kind in the world, you must use the with those words. Understand? So if you say, I have read Mahabharata, no, you are not allowed. Have you read Ramayana? No. Not that you have not read, that is not grammatically not correct. What do you know about Tirukural? You cannot say like this. I have seen Taj Mahal. No sir, not accepted. We had an interview with Pope. No. Sun rises in the east. No. Moon stands as a symbol of love. Lunatic. No. Shakespeare says no. The lunatic and the lover is of the same characterism. Bible, how many Bibles are there? Only one. So have you read Bible? That's wrong sentence. See that? Therefore, what is in our tutorial number 18? This is English grammar tutorials. I am so particular about this grammar tutorial. Elsewhere I have already given theoretical knowledge of these things in detail. But in this grammar tutorial, what am I trying to do is just give you 1 point a day. Only 1 point. And examples. And when you take, like you play, sometimes you can see now, people play basketball. Zone based, there is a zone. So like that. When it is as a 5 points or so, I will give you a test. Like that. It's a pretty long one. The discussion on the definite article, this is called definite article, you know. Now this is a pretty long one. And the near native efficiency to in the use of the is a challenge, especially for the second language learners. It is a challenge. I don't say it's difficult. It's a challenge. So that's why I thought of taking point by 1 point. Just once in one class there will be only 1 point. Today it is like this. So what is our point today? Use the definite article the with nouns. You have only one of its kind in the world. So you have to say the Pope, the Mahabharata, the Ramayana, the Tirukural, the Taj Mahal, the sun, the moon, the Bible. Like that. Otherwise, sometimes you will get the thesis, means test frames like this, you know. Who are the characters in Mahabharata? Huh? It's perfectly alright. What's wrong with this? Oh, no, wrong. Why? Because Mahabharata is only the one and the only epic with that name. So you have to say, who are the characters, or do you know the characters or the stories in the Mahabharata? The Mahabharata, the Ramayana, you have to say. The Ramayana is story about Lord Rama. The Tirukural is considered the most important book by the in Tamil culture. The Taj Mahal is one of the wonders of the world. The sun rises in the east. The moon is very beautiful. The Bible is the book of the main book of the Christians. The Pope is the leader of million Christians. You can say like, so you have to say like that. But suppose you say like this, Pope Francis, the name is there, Francis. Then don't say the Pope Francis. This is wrong. You should not say like that. Why? Because the name is already mentioned and it is already particularized. It's already made, because the Pope Francis, there is only one. Understand? There is no need of saying that the Pope. So if the name is there, don't use, after Pope, if there is the name, don't use the. Don't say the Pope Francis. But you can say the Pope gives blessings on every Saturday. Listen. Urbi et Orbi. Have you heard of that? Urbi et Orbi. The blessing given by Pope is known as Urbi et Orbi. Urbi. Urbi means, you know the word urban. City comes from there. Urban. So, urban planning you have heard. Orbi, you know, what is Orbi? Orbi means globe. Means the world. So the Pope's blessings are given to the city of Rome and also to the world. Et means and. Urbi et Orbi. To the city of Rome and to the entire world. So remember, when Pope stands alone, that means not that Pope is not surrounded by cardinals, not that meaning. When the noun Pope stands alone, you should use the. Understand? That's the point. Either now it is clear, I think. Okay, fine. Thank you very much for listening. We will please stand by for the next tutorial class. Before that, there will be a test. I promise there will be some 25-30 sentences will be given from the test frames will be given to you, and you should try to answer and say getting a near proficiency in the use of this definite article the is an achievement, no doubt. So bye, have a nice time, enjoy your course.